Find the particular solution indicated. Number 1. Y minus square root of x squared plus y squared dx minus x dy is equivalent to 0 when x is equivalent to square root of 3 and y is equivalent to 2. Let y equals vx and dy will be v dx plus x dv. Substitute the value of y and dx to the original equation. So, magiging vx minus square root of x squared plus v squared times x squared dx minus x v dx plus x dv equals 0. And then divide both side by x. Kaya matatanggal na yung x dito tsaka doon. Kaya magiging v minus square root of 1 plus v squared dx minus v dx minus x dv equals 0. Then, distributive property na lang sa loob ng parenthesis. Magiging v dx minus square root of 1 plus v squared dx minus v dx minus x dv equals 0. The next one will be negative square root of 1 plus v squared dx minus x dv. Magkakancel tong dalawa. Magkaiba yung sign but parehas yung value. Magiging 0. So, therefore, 1 plus v squared raised to 1 half dx, ito yung equivalent niya, plus x dv. Kaya naging plus, same sila ng sign, kaya magiging positive. Multiply by both negative equals 0. So, bracket 1 plus v squared raised to 1 half dx plus x dv equals 0. Multiply by 1 all over x parenthesis 1 plus v squared raised to 1 half. So, magiging dx all over x equals negative dv all over 1 plus v squared raised to 1 half. Integrate lang natin tong equation na to. Magiging integrate dx all over x plus integrate dv all over square root of 1 plus v squared equals c. Equivalent nito is ln x, kaya nilagay ko na lang muna dito na consider. So, itong equation na muna ang isosolve natin. Magiging integrate dv all over square root of 1 plus v squared. So, let v is equal to tan theta. So, the dv will be sec squared theta d theta. Tsaka magiging sec theta natin will be square root of 1 plus tan squared theta. So, i-substitute na lang natin yung mga value niya. So, ang integrate dv all over 1 all over square root of 1 plus v squared is integral of sec squared theta d theta all over sec theta. I-divide natin itong dalawa kaya magiging sec theta d theta na lang. Equivalent nito will be ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Magiging ln absolute value of square root of 1 plus v squared plus v plus c. Kaya yung nakuha natin dito, ito yung value niya. Kaya dudugtong na lang natin sa nakuha natin dito kanina na ln x. So, therefore, ln x plus ln absolute value of square root of 1 plus v squared plus v equals ln c. Ln x plus ln absolute value of square root of 1 plus y squared all over x squared plus y all over x equals ln c. And then ln x plus ln square root of x squared plus y squared plus y all over x equals ln c. Magiging ln x plus ln, divide niya ito sa x will be x squared plus y squared plus y minus ln x is equivalent to ln c. Next, will be ln parentheses square root of x squared plus y squared plus y equals ln c. Equivalent na nito will be e raised to ln and x is square root of x squared plus y equals e ln c. Magiging kinalabasan niya will become square root of x squared plus y equals c. Yung nakuha natin dito, i-substitute lang natin dito banda kung saan yung when x is equivalent to square root of 3 tapos yung y is equivalent to 2. So, ito na. 3 plus 2 square root of 3 plus 2 squared plus 2 equals c. Calculator natin. So, ang nakuha is 4.646. So, therefore, square root of x squared plus y squared plus y equals 4.646. Then, ito i-transpose na natin kaya magiging negative. Square root of x squared plus y squared equals 4.646 minus y. Tapos, ito i-squared lang natin para matanggal yung square root niya. Kaya magiging both side. Kaya magiging x squared plus y squared. Tapos, equivalent na lang nito will become 21.585 minus 9.292y plus y squared. So, ayusin lang natin ito, yung pagkakasunod-sunod na. Kaya ito na yung magiging kalalabasan niya. X squared is equivalent to 21.585 minus 9.292y. Yun yung answer sa number 1. And then, the next question is x cos squared multiplied by y all over x minus y dx plus x dy equals 0 when x is equivalent to 1 and y is equivalent to 4. So, let y equals vx. And then, yung dy natin, magiging v dx. Ito, kaya nag-come up dito sa formula nito dahil dito, i-divide mo na lang siya. Yung vx, i-divide mo yun sa v, magiging v is equal to y all over x. Kaya ito na yung magiging kalabasan niya. I-substitute na lang natin mga nakuha nating value dito sa original na equation. Will be x cos squared v minus vx dx plus x multiplied by v dx plus x dv equals 0. So, magiging x cos squared v minus vx dx plus x v dx plus x dv equals 0. Tapos, mag-multiply tayo ng 1 all over x dito para matanggal yung x. Ang magiging kalabasan is cos 2v minus v dx plus v dx plus x dv equals 0. May matatanggal na sila. Na-divide na siya sa x. So, next one will be cos 2v dx minus v dx plus v dx plus x dv equals 0. So, magtatanggal lang tayo ng mga unlike terms. Kagaya lang nito. Tapos ito, magbabawas lang. Magiging 0 equivalent nila. Kaya magiging kalabasan niya is cos 2v dx equals yung x dv, transpose, kaya magiging negative x dv. Tapos, mag-multiply tayo ng 1 all over cos 2x 2v multiply by x. Parang ito multiply natin para mag-cancel silang dalawa. Kaya magiging kalabasan is dx all over x equivalent to negative dv all over cos squared v. Tapos, ito, transpose natin dun para maging positive. Kaya, ang magiging kalabasan will be dx all over x plus dv all over cos squared v equals 0. Parang dun sa kanina din lang yung nauna. Ito yung yung equivalent nito will be ln x. Kaya, dito na lang tayo mag-focus. Kaya, magiging ln x plus equivalent nito will be tan v equals c. So, parang yung kanina din lang sa number 1. Yung kuninan, i-substitute na natin tong mga to kung when x equals 1 and y is equivalent to pi all over 4. So, let's go back here. Ln x plus tan pi all over 4 is equal to c. So, calculator natin. So, tama. Yung c is equivalent niya will be 0.014. So, thus, ln x plus tan yx equivalent to 0.014. And ln x, tapos ayusin na lang natin ito. Ln x equivalent to 0.014. Ito, trinounce po siya, kaya naging negative, kaya magiging minus tan y all over x. And let's proceed to the next question. Y squared plus 7xy plus 16x squared dx plus x squared dy equals 0 when x is equal to 3 and y is equivalent to negative 3. Let y equals vx and dy will be v dx plus x dv. Para yung mga naunang problem din lang. Substitute mo yung mga nakuha mong value dito sa original equation. Kaya kaya ang kalalabasan will become v squared x squared plus 7x squared v plus 16x squared dx plus x squared yung sa dy. Kaya magiging dy, yung equivalent ng dy is ito. Kaya napalitan. Magiging v dx plus x dv equals 0. So, i-expand lang natin. Vx is v squared x squared plus 7x squared v plus 16x squared dx plus x squared v dx plus x dv. Mag-multiply tayo dito ng 1 all over x squared para matanggal ito. Kaya meron dito. Kaya ito na ang result. V squared, natanggal na yung x squared, plus 7v, natanggal na diba, plus 16 dx plus v dx plus x dv equals 0. Next one will be, i-con natin to, i-transpose, distribute natin, kaya magiging v squared plus 7v plus v minus v plus 16 dv plus v dx plus x dv equals 0. Next one is v squared plus x 8v 7v plus v equals 8v plus 16 dx minus v dx plus v dx plus x dv equals 0. Magiging v squared plus 8v plus 16 dx plus, kaya matatanggal yung v dx kasi negative to positive, kaya magiging 0 sila. Kaya maiwan na lang is x dv plus x dv equals 0. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, magmumultiply tayo ng x times v squared plus x v plus 16 para matanggal ito. Para maging dx over x na lang siya. So, alam naman na natin na ln x yung equivalent nito. Yan, may iwan na lang will be dv all over v squared plus 8v plus 16 equals 0. So, dx all over x plus dv, ito i-compress lang natin, kaya magiging x plus 4 squared is equal to 0. Completing the square. Ito. Tapos dx all over x plus, kasi kapag nasa baba yung ito, pwede mo siya itaas, magiging negative lang yung exponent. Kaya magiging v plus 4 raised to negative 2 is equal to 0. So, will be next is, integrate na natin. Dx all over x plus integrate v plus 4 raised to negative 2 dv equals 0. Equivalent nito ln x. Tapos, ito na lang. v plus 4, negative 2 plus 1 will be negative 1. Kaya negative na lang all over 1 equals c. Ln x minus v plus 4 raised to negative equals c. Ito na to. When, i-substitute na lang natin ito dun sa mga when x is equivalent to 3 and y is equivalent to negative 3 and v is equivalent to y all over x, equivalent ng y is negative 3. Tapos yung x is 3. Kaya kapag dinivide mo siya, magiging negative 1. So therefore, ln 3 minus negative 1 plus 4 raised to negative equals c. So ln 3 minus 1 all over negative 1 plus 4 equals c. So thus, ang equivalent ng c is 7.765. Thus, ln x is equivalent to 1 all over v plus 4 equals 0.765. Tapos yung ln x minus 1 all over y over x plus 4 equals 0.765 din. Yung susunod, yung ln x minus 1 all over x plus all over y plus 4x all over x is 0.765 din. And lastly, ln x minus x all over y plus 4x is equal to 0.765 din. Ito, i-transpose na lang natin sa kabila para equivalent ng ln x will become 0.76 plus, kasi iniba niya yung position niya, nag-transpose siya, kaya magiging positive. Magiging x all over y plus 4x. So, let's move on to the next part. Number 1. C1e raised to 2x plus c2x squared. Ito yung first equation natin, yung original equation. Iwa-y prime natin siya. Magiging 2c1e raised to 2x plus 2c2x. Ito yung equation 2. Tapos, y double prime natin magiging 4c1 e2x plus raised to 2x plus 2c2. Ito yung equation number 3. So, kunin natin equation number 1. So, y equals c1e raised to 2x plus c2x raised x squared. So, ito transpose natin. Kaya magiging negative. Magiging c1e raised to 2x equals y minus c2x raised to 2. So, substitute lang natin yung equation 1 sa equation 2. Ang equation 1 is dito. Hanin natin siya. So, y prime equals 2 times y minus c2x squared plus 2c2x equals 2y. Multiply natin sa distributive property, magiging 2y minus 2c2x squared. Thus, 2c2x. So, next is 2y plus 2c2x multiply by 1 minus x. Ito yung equation number 4. So, kunin natin ulit sa equation number 1. Kunin natin yung equation number 1. Lagyan natin dito. Y prime equals 2c1e raised to 2x plus 2c2x. So, 2c1e 2x equals y prime minus 2c2x. Kaya naging negative ito. Transpose ulit. Kaya kanina positive. Kaya ngayon naging negative na. So, next, substitute natin yung equation number 2 sa 3. So, magiging y double prime 2 times y prime minus 2c2x plus 2c2. I-distributive property na naman natin. Magiging 2y prime minus 4c2x plus 2c2. Ang mangyayari, i-divide natin sa 2. Kaya magiging ito. Magiging 2y prime plus 2c2 multiply by 1 minus 2x. Ito na equation number 5. So, kunin natin yung equation number 5, lagyan natin dito. Ito na yon. Tapos, y prime equals negative 2y prime. Ito, ilipat natin, magiging negative. Kaya, 2c2 multiply by 1 minus 2x. So, ang c natin, magiging y prime, double prime minus 2y prime all over 2 times 1 minus 2x. Ito na yung equation number 6 natin. So, dito na tayo sa medyo dulong dulo. Equation number 6 to equation 4. Ito yung equation number 4 natin. Ito yung equation number 6. So, unahin na natin isulat yung equation number 4. Ito yan. 2y plus 2 multiply by. Tapos yung c natin, i-substitute na lang natin para mas madali. Ito yung c natin. Ito, y double prime minus 2y prime all over 2 multiply by 1 minus 2x times x multiply by 1 minus x. So, ililipat lang natin yung y. Y prime minus 2y ito. Equals, koplahin lang natin ito. Ito yun. Y double prime minus 2y prime all over 1 minus 2x multiply by x and multiply by 1 minus x. So, multiply natin to. Y prime minus 2y. Ilipat na natin yung mga signs niya. 1 minus 2x. Ito yun. Ito yung 1 minus 2x. Equals y double prime minus 2y prime multiply by x minus x squared. So, ayusin na lang natin ito. Ito pala, distributive property natin. Kaya, foil method. Ito yung magiging sagot. Y prime minus 2xy prime minus 2y plus 4xy equals, ganun din sa kabila. If-foil method natin, magiging 2y double prime minus x squared y prime double prime minus 2x y prime plus 2x squared y prime. Yung mga na-cancel din yung mga may kaparehas sa kabila na magkaiba sila ng sign, kundi ang maging equivalent nila is 0. Kaya, ang natira na lang is y prime minus 2y plus 4xy minus xy double prime plus x. Kaya naging positive siya kasi ita-transpose mo siya. Kaya maging x squared y double prime. Tapos, lastly, 2x squared y prime equals 0. Ay, correction lang pala. Hindi pala ito kasali. Hindi ito na-cancel. Kaya may y. Tapos, pati din ito. 2y. Hindi ito na-cancel. So, last question. Y equals c1e raised to negative x plus x squared plus c2x. Ito yung first equation. Ito yung original equation. So, yung equation number 2 is yung y prime natin. Magiging negative c1e raised to negative x plus 2x plus c2. So, i-double prime na natin. Magiging c1e raised to negative x plus 2. So, ang gayari dito is kunin natin to sa equation 1. Y equals c1e raised to negative x plus x squared plus c2x. Ito yun. Ito, transpose lang natin itong dalawa. Ito, lilipat natin dito. Tapos ito doon. Magiging c1e minus x y. Dito lang siya, natili siya. Tapos, negative x squared minus c2x. Ito, nilipat siya doon. So, substitute natin yung 1 sa 2. Magiging y prime equals negative y minus x squared minus 2x c2x plus 2x plus c2. Magiging negative y, multiply natin yung negative, i-distribute natin. Kaya mag-iba na yung iba ng sign. Magiging negative y plus x squared plus c2x plus 2x plus c2. magiging c2x plus c2 equals y prime plus y minus x squared minus 2x. Then next will be c2 multiplied by x plus 2 equals y prime plus y minus x squared minus 2x. Ito yon. So, ang c2 natin is y. Ito, kopihin natin to. Tapos, mag-divide lang tayo na x plus 1 para makancel ito. Kaya napunta siya sa baba. So, ito na yung equation number 4 natin. So, substitute na lang natin yung equation 1 to 3. Kaya, yung equation 1 natin is ito. Equation 3 pala. So, magiging y minus x squared minus c2x plus 2. Yung c2x, itra-transpose natin kaya magiging positive. Then, c2x equals y. Ito magiging negative kasi nag-transpose. Y double prime minus x squared plus 2. So, ang c2 natin will be y minus y double prime minus x squared plus 2 all over x. May x siya dito kasi dinivide na natin doon yung x. Kaya napunta yung x dito. Ito na yung equation number 5. So, lastly, yun na tayo sa equate 4 and 5. So, C1 is equivalent to C2. Yung C1, kunin mo na natin. Y prime plus y minus x squared minus 2x all over x plus 1. Ito yun. Isipin natin. Tapos, equals. Ito, kunin din natin, lagyan natin dito. Kasi equal lang sila. Nagiging y minus y double prime minus x squared plus 2. Magiging y prime plus y minus x squared minus 2x multiply by x. Ito, cross multiplication. Sa kabila naman is x plus 1. Ito yun. Multiply by 1 y minus y double prime minus x squared plus 2. So, i-distributive property lang natin. Magiging x y prime plus x y minus x cube minus 2x squared equals ganun din. Ifo-file natin. X y minus x y double prime minus x cube plus 2x plus y minus 2y double prime minus x squared plus 2. So, tanggalin na natin yung mga like terms dito. Kaya, matitira na lang ay x y prime plus x y double prime plus y double prime minus 2x squared plus x squared minus 2x minus 2 minus y minus 2 equals 0. So, ayusin na lang natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Ito, x y prime plus x y double prime plus y double prime minus, kaya naging x squared siya. Ito yung pagbabawas mo. Mas mataas kasi yung negative 2 kumpara sa 1. Kaya magma-minus siya yung x. Kaya magiging x squared na lang siya. Tapos, kopyahin na lang. Negative 2x minus y minus 2 equals 0. And that's all. Thank you.